Here I have UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you top tricks and hidden features on the following device. Let's start with the first one, which is the Mirror Vision. Let's go to Settings, and now choose Display. Here on the top we have Mirror Vision. You can check it out. We have, for example, Dynamic Contrast, the Blue Light Defender, or some other advanced options. Let's check out, for example, the Dynamic Contrast. As you can see, it's a little bit different now. Okay, let's go back, and for example the Blue Light Defender is just basically the blue light filter. Okay, let's go to the second feature, which is the Adaptive Brightness. Here we can check it on, and now our brightness of the screen will adjust to the environment or, for example, to our activities. Let's go back, and now let me show you the third feature, which is Jump to Camera. Here we need to check it on, and now let me show you when our screen is off, which only thing to do to launch camera is double tap the power key. Let's check out. As you can see, it works. Let's go back, and let's jump to the fourth feature, which is Eyebrow Mode. Let's go to Settings, and here we need to find the Eyebrow Mode. Here we have some features like before, for example the blue light filter. We can choose the More mode too, and here we have the Night mode, which reduces the screen brightness, the Outdoor mode, which enhances the green light, and the Sleep mode, which increases the red light. Okay, let's go back, and let's go to the last feature, which is Smart Lock. Let's go to Settings, and let's find the Security. Now we need to tap on Smart Lock, confirm our pattern, and here we have some useful features, like on body detection, which unlocked our device when the device is on us, and for example we can add some trusted places and devices and match the voice with the Google Assistant. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.